Hello. Hi. Hi, all. Whenever doing with some financial transaction with whatever it is, we may face some issues which is comma populated in between these numbers and all. So there we may have to spend huge time for to negotiate with this comma separations from these digits. When we need to introduce it, it will be very easier. We have to go format and we can give the numbering and all. But that text is we can add it when we need to add, that will be very easier task. But when the comma is already present, it is very difficult to remove from here. So today I will explore how to remove this one using some formulas, basics formulas. So this row is account balance, and this row is the processed data. So here the commas are incorporated in between here. So I have manually tried to remove this commas, but it's a very complex task for to all the rows, and I have to carefully remove these items. This will be very complex. So what I done in the sense, I have created a this formula table. I introduced one new row. From there, I just mention substitute the field name, and there I have removed that comma here. Then I have populated substitute. Then all the commas has been removed from here and it is populated over here. Then we can use it for the mathematical operations. So that will be good. So when I directly done this one here, this helps omit errors. Now I am changing, instead of F I am doing. So I'm updating this formula. Now I will get all those things and getting value. So now I got the cleanup values. I hope it will be helpful for when you are doing this financial transaction with your banking statements, such kind of thing will be very helpful. Thank you.